a world filled with sparks of power, where technology and automotive prowess collide. Behold the electrical system 101, sparks of power. Buckle up as we embark on a journey through electrifying world of your car's electrical system. Get ready to unleash the secrets, troubleshoot the glitches, and become the hero of your own vehicle's power.
Welcome, fellow car enthusiasts, to another enlightening episode. Today we dive into the heart of your vehicle's electrical system, where the magic happens. Let's start with the key players: the battery, alternator, and starter. The battery, the powerhouse that kickstarts your engine; the alternator, the generator that keeps the battery charged; and the starter, the ignition that sets everything in motion. But wait, what happens when your battery goes kaput or you're facing wiring issues? Fear not, we have the troubleshooter's guide to save the day. Checking the battery connections. Make sure they are tight and free from corrosion. Testing the battery's health. We'll show you a simple way to measure its voltage using a multimeter. Step 3. The alternator test. Learn how to diagnose if your alternator is charging your battery properly or if it needs some TLC. Remember, regular battery maintenance is crucial. Keep it clean, check the water levels if applicable, and if your battery has reached its end, it's time for a heroic replacement. And there you have it, the electrifying journey through your car's electrical system. Armed with knowledge and troubleshooting skills, you conquer any power-related challenges that comes your way. So, join the Sparks of Power squad and empower your car to its fullest potential. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. And if you are hungry for more automotive wisdom, hit that subscribe button and join our family of Sparks of Power. Stay tuned for our next electrifying adventure. Until next time, remember, with great sparks comes great power. Stay charged and keep on zooming. Bye bye.